Alrighty, it's Saturday afternoon. Definitely way too wet to do anything in the field. I got basically done planting. Saw that in the last video, but so now we're just cruising up north. We got about 4 inches of rain in less than a day.
Gosh, just for...
Oh my god. So now me and Maddie and the ass ripper back there we're cruising up north. Gonna take a look at my fields up there, because back at home we got close to 4 inches in a day. I think I already said that. But up north I think we got more, around 6 to 7. And we also got more rain coming tomorrow and Monday. So I'm gonna go assess the situation up there. Pretty much just gonna make myself depressed for the rest of the day probably, but might as well record my depression, huh? Yeah, so I wasn't really bullshitting about the whole flooding. Oh god. We got a goddamn lake over here. It's not my field at least, but yeah, there's water running across the road up here. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that over there. This is just about a half mile from my field, so... Oh, should have rolled the window up. It's all the way up to the road. Jesus Christ. Still got water running over the road here. Hasn't even been raining for like 24 hours.
Literally looks like a lake.
Wow. That's all within 36 hours or so. It's gonna be just a dandy year again this year, huh? Well, this is on my south pivot here up north. Kind of one of the lower spots. This is kind of just a drainage thing, so I expected there to be a bunch of water here. There's a lot of water right up there. And my feet are soaked. Alright, I'll show you the things I do for my 100 subscribers. But yeah, here's my lake I was talking about. Absolutely lovely. Yeah, so anyways, not real happy about that, obviously. But nothing I could really do about it at this point besides collect on insurance, or in some off chance if it drains off in the next week or so, maybe. No, probably not. Part of this field is pretty much screwed, and I got a couple other spots that are kind of like this, but feels like you can't win, but it's the way she goes sometimes. Just went and got all these groceries and couldn't forget the booze. And my dog didn't want to sit in the back, and he also didn't want to sit bitch. So Maddie is sitting bitch while Cash sprawls out in the passenger seat. And then she's always like, oh, Cash just loves me. Yeah, it's because she's a freaking pushover. Well, it is now Monday morning. We got another couple inches of rain probably on top of the already flooded fields that we had, so I guess I'm gonna try to walk around / drive around and kind of show you guys some of it if I can. I mean, I'm walking in the field. This is not even flooded close to as bad as some of those other spots, but as you can see, it's still, there's water sitting in the roads that's softer than hell. But last year and this year, but this year on top of all the flooding, we got coronavirus, so I don't know. Not fun at all. Very demoralizing, that's for sure. Again, still not even the worst that I've seen so far, but just to show you, I mean, climbing up through the ditches and washing the roads. Just lovely. Hopefully there's no giant washouts yet. Good lord. Well, now we're up at the piece that I had from Saturday that was already real flooded. This is not even the bad spot yet, but got a few inches of water sitting here. Got a nice river running through right here. And where does the river lead? Oh yeah, just to my private frickin' lake up here. Figured I'd come up and look at it again here, kind of show you guys how much more damage we have now. So basically, there's probably about, from right here to the end of the field, it's probably about 25-ish acres or so. And about 22 of those acres are completely underwater. And even this stuff up here, I don't know if it's gonna last or not, because, I mean, Jesus. It's a frickin' sinkhole. Probably not gonna be able to replant or anything either, so. Awesome. Gotta love dumping all the money into your seed and your fertilizer, and blah, 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 blah. And then not get anything at all. I don't know, I guess everybody's going through it. I know, obviously around here, everybody's getting the same thing, but I mean, I know that, I think, what is it, Ohio's having really bad floods and a couple other places, so, oh man. This is one of my neighbor's fields here. He's got an actual lake. Let me drive around to the other side so you can see. Again, kind of sketchy crossing all these places. You can't tell if there's a washout or not. Like, it's kind of cracked up there. Don't like what that looks like, but there's supposed to be a ditch right here, and the water comes all the way up to it. You got freaking white caps out here. Everybody's going through it, like I said. It always kind of feels like it's just you, but it's obviously not. I mean, that's got to be probably 4 foot deep right here. I laugh because I'm in pain, but I guess you guys kind of get the point. Whoa, hello. You guys kind of get the point. We'll see you in the next one.